Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Spotify for creators. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Spotify for creators and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on for stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and